Hi, my name is Tony Lupo, and I'm the state climatologist for the state of Missouri. And I am also a professor of atmospheric science at the University of Missouri. However, what I want to introduce you to today is CoCoRAHS. Some of you may have heard of this and you may already be a member, but if you're not, let me share the screen here and we'll go through that. As you can see, that's at CoCoRAHS.org. And if you have a rain gauge in your yard, you can measure precipitation and submit your daily measurements. The site likes to have submissions by 7 a.m. However, there is a place on there to submit what time your observation is. The third link right here, join CoCoRAHS on the left, will ask you what country you're from, the United States, of course, and then you can enter all your observer information. And if you're not sure of your lawn coordinates, you can always enter them using Google Earth, or you can find that out through Google Earth. So you can become a member of CoCoRAHS and report daily. Now, what is CoCoRAHS? CoCoRAHS was started in the year 1998 at Colorado State University. And the idea was that a lot of people like to record precipitation every day. And they do so very well and very faithfully. So Colorado became the first CoCoRAHS state. We became the 12th CoCoRAHS state, March 1st, 2006. And we have been reporting precipitation ever since. CoCoRAHS is now in all 50 states. We at the University of Missouri have used this data for research publications. Now, let me show you the maps. Again, the maps show the United States. There is a newer map version and then a classic map version, which I like. And you can see where the precipitation fell yesterday. We can go to Missouri, and we can see that there was no precipitation across the state of Missouri, except for a few areas down to the southern part of the state where a couple of CoCoRAHS observers witnessed about a trace of rain. And if you're interested, this is what your entry will look like. And your entry form will have the time, the date, and then you can enter the amount that you measured. I measured none yesterday, so I'm going to just stick with the zeros. I also measured no snow. And so you can see my precipitation records that I've been submitting them for just over 6,000 days. Okay, and if we go back far enough, I guess I won't do that, but if you go back far enough, you can see snowfall records. You can view the maps. You can get a county-wide view. You can go all the way down to the county-wide. Now, if you want to view data and see what other stations in the county reported, you can. All right, you can go to the search day precipitation records, and let's just put in my county, Boone County, and let's look for today's reports. You can see today's reports from Boone County. We have over 82 registered observers in Boone County, and about 20 of us, 30 of us will report when rain happens. I can adjust the dates. So I could go back to the end of March and search for records from Boone County. Okay, and we can go all the way back. You can see that you can report snowfall and it'll report the amount in inches, and you can melt your amount down and report that. So we would love to have your CoCoRAHS measurements. If you're already reporting for CoCoRAHS, Thank you. If you're not and you want to join, please do. If you don't have a rain gauge already, there is the CoCoRAHS store. And I recommend Weather Your Way to get the gauge. Right now, the gauges are on sale for $35 plus shipping. That's a pretty good, it's a pretty good price. So go ahead and order that. And if you wish, start giving us your measurements. But if you already have a rain gauge, sign up and just start reporting. Thank you and good day. I hope to see your measurements soon.